Here.
So,
All right.
Michaela, I'm sorry, can you hear me?
20 seconds left in the break.
Oh, okay. Michaela? Okay, so I can barely hear you. Mary is going to be with Service Peace Warriors.
10, 9,
So is
8, 7,
Pete. And then
6,
Bill is going to be with
5,
Miss Tri-Cities Unlimited
4,
Hydroplane. So those supers
3,
need to be changed before we put them on
2,
screen.
1.
It is 6:15. You're watching Wake Up Northwest, and this morning's Wake Up Your Pet. We have quite the crew here this morning. We have Mary, and we have Pete from Service Peace Warriors, and then we have Bill, who is with the Miss Tri-Cities Unlimited Hydroplane. Good morning to all of you. How are you doing?
Good.
Good. Okay, and then you brought in some service dogs for us too. Who are these guys?
Sky is my service dog, and this is Pete with Woodrow, who will be graduating at the end of the month.
That's incredible. Thank you for all being here. So this Saturday, there's a special event coming up, a fundraiser for Service Peace Warriors, correct?
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about that.
Patrick called me and said that Russ and Bill had been in touch with them and wanted to get together at PetSmart and put together a fundraiser for us, and so we're really excited to have them with us.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And so, Bill, how are you guys involved in all of this?
Well, Russ McElroy had a dream about having a Miss Tri-Cities Hydroplane to represent our community, and we wanted to get on board with Service Peace Warriors and our other sponsors that are sponsoring our hydroplane for this year, which is the Trust Company, G2 Construction, Ice Harbor Brewery, and Atomic Screen Printing.
Right. And so obviously that's coming up here in, I guess, 2 weeks really. And then we have Service Peace Warriors, which we've talked with you guys before, but remind everyone what you do in our community if they don't know about that.
We are a family organization here. We're a non-profit. We're putting out dogs to veterans for free at no cost. There isn't processing fees or anything.
Right.
Fully trained service dogs at the age of 2 years old. We work with our veterans real close, make sure they're working well. They actually do the CGC test, the public access test.
They go through a lot of certifications.
Yes, they do. We're very strict with our program. Our veterans are very, very deserving.
Incredible. And you guys are the only in Eastern Washington, right, nonprofit that does this.
Yes.
So you are helping out a lot of people by going this weekend. Saturday, what time is this going on?
11 to 2, I believe.
Okay. And then how can people contribute? What is this fundraiser going to consist of?
Anything. I mean, you don't have to donate in just money. Everybody always thinks money. We always need things for the dogs.
Right.
PetSmart, you can drop stuff off with them. Patrick's awesome to work with. We work with Mikey's Chance, Canine Rescue. That's where a lot of our puppies come from.
Right.
So we're using a lot of rescue puppies that, people didn't want. Woodrow's one. We have a couple of, we have 85% of our dogs are rescues.
Laying down, just getting comfortable down here.
It's nice and cool in here.
Yes, it is.
Nice and cool in here.
Well, you guys do an incredible service to our community, so thank you for doing that on behalf of us, and hopefully you can get out there this weekend. We will make sure to post all this information on our Facebook page too. Thank you for coming in this morning.
Thanks.
It is 6:19. You're watching Wake Up Northwest. Your full weather forecast is 2 minutes away.